Inserting blue, purple, orange, again purple is back, blue, red, purple, red, orange, black. Let's write the code in JavaScript how to transfer or pass elements from div1 to div2 using a JavaScript and CSS. So let's start the tutorial. First I am adding one div element, doc type. Doc type first, basic HTML elements I am adding here. Let's close the HTML. After that I am adding the header section. Below the header section I am adding the body tag. Then inside this body I am adding one center element. Here first one I am adding heading here, h1. Let's make it h1 here. Pass the div elements from one div to another div using JavaScript and CSS. After that I am adding one horizontal line. After that let's define one center div class. After that I am defining one div. In this div I am defining two div containers. So first one is a container. Let's make this as a container. In this container, first div, this is the ID. This is the div ID is equals to div1 div1. Here I am adding some. First let's add the heading here, h4. This is the div1 heading of the div1, and now I am adding p class class here. Let's add the class here, item. You can give any class name here. I am adding, and let's copy this one, paste and paste. Just for the demo purpose I am adding 5 items, red, blue. I am adding some color names here, orange, purple, and let's add the black color. Then I am adding the second div container. The ID of the second container is the div2, and let's give heading for the div2, h4. ID is equals to div ID, not the ID, heading. No, we don't require that. Div2. This is div2. That's it. We have done the designing part. Now we require the JavaScript functionality. After the div element, I am adding one script. Let's give the below center script. Let's scroll up. Constant div1 is equals to, now here document.get element by ID. The ID here I am passing of the div1. Copy this one and paste here in the div1. Again I require for the div2 also. So instead of writing the same thing I am adding copy and pasting here. Now wherever I have div1 I am adding div2. Now we require the selected items now, so I am defining one more variable, document dot, here query selector all. The query, and what I am selecting, the p elements here, which is the item. I am selecting the item. Dot here I am adding because it's a class name. Dot item. Now items dot, for each method item arrow function I am adding here. Let's give the arrow function. Let's close this one. Arrow function, item dot add event listener. Click function, here I am adding click function. Again I am adding one more arrow function. Let's close this one, this JavaScript function. If item dot parent element, strongly type div1, So selected item div1 parent element to child element, parent append child element. So in the div2 I am adding append child. What I am appending? Item. This item I am appending, the selected item. Again, else if, in the else if, instead of writing the same thing, let's copy this one. And paste here. So here we require to close one more bracket here for the div else if part. Now wherever I have div1, I am changing to div2 because I want to send div items from div2 to div1. So the logic is same, we are changing the div container names, IDs. That's it, we have done the complete JavaScript functionality. Now we record some styles of these elements. So in the header section I am adding style. First one, let's add the container. Copy this one. Container is a class, so we need to add dot container. Display, first display is a flex. Now I want to display the div containers horizontally, side by side. So flex direction is row, and justify content is space between. Now I am adding the padding left around 40%. According to your requirement, just adjust this padding sizes. Padding left and right around 40%, which is equal to the center of the div. If I add 50%, both will be merged, so I am adding 40. Then now we record the div1. So div1 is which is the ID, so we need to add hash div1. Again we have the div2 also now, so again copy that one, hash div2. Now border 1 pixel solid. Here I am adding blue color. Border radius around 15 pixels I am adding. Text align is center and width is around 100 pixels. Font size is larger. That's it. And also that's it, we don't require. Now here I am adding the item also. When I mouse over, I want to make the cursor pointer. So here the class item, I am selecting the class item, dot item, cursor is a pointer. That's it, we have done the complete coding part. Now let's save this file. We'll check the final output of our application. For that we need to open the file explorer. Let's open that one. The folder I have created in the E drive, and the folder name is a JavaScript interview, and this is a file name, transfer pass elements div1 and div2. Let's check the file name. See, transfer pass elements div1 div2. Let's open that one. And here we got the final output of our application. Notice this is a div1 and div2. Div2 is empty. Now I am passing the div elements from one div to another div. When I click orange, see here we got the orange, purple, we got the purple, red, we got the red. Again from div2 to div1. So something went wrong. It's not. See here the div2 to this is the div1. Sorry for that. Save. Let's check the final output of our application again. Sorry for that. Now let's check the final output. I'm selecting blue, purple, orange. Again purple is back, blue, red, purple, red, orange, black. That's it. In this video tutorial I have explained how to pass the variables from one div to another div using JavaScript and CSS. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. Please subscribe, share and leave your valuable comment. We'll catch you in my next video tutorial.